Sri Lanka ratings container bulk carriers to embark. Candina Group needs for a fleet of container and general cargo ships bulk carriers above 45,000 tons Sri Lankan ratings. We know that today Sri Lanka is one of the few countries, perhaps because it is very close to India, that it is proactive regarding the employment of seafarers. In Europe, we have a lack of that completely. Therefore, we are in a huge need of huge volumes of ratings in compliance with these European flags, most of it ratings. So we are looking for fitters, $1,150. We are looking for APs, 1,850, 1,900, same rates that are international standard with Filipinos, and also length of contracts is 9 months. Same for motormen. And then we have a wiper, OS, ordinary sailor, and messman, $1,450 all inclusive. Please apply urgently, like and subscribe throughout all the Sri Lankan communities, groups of interests, schools, training facilities, because we are going to need a huge volume of Sri Lankan ratings. As we have heard, that this is one of the few countries that is adapting to the future. In Candina Group, as you know, we get no fees from seafarers. We are very transparent. We have the best wage scales, which is basic wage, overtime, leave, and social bonus, total wage. That's all, and it is a huge competitive advantage for Sri Lanka because, for example, in other countries like Philippines, 15 or 20% is discounted by the Filipino government, and you have to fill all these 20 or something paragraphs and columns and papers and PPP, please pass the paper, which it really makes it all very uncompetitive. So today it has huge competitive edge for you. Sri Lankan ratings, apply directly. Crew Inspector in Candina, like and subscribe to all our social media opportunities. This is the video 1148, so you can imagine how far away we still can row together. Yes, Sri Lankan ratings and Candina. So apply urgently because we are always in need of very good professionals that I believe today in the Europe, in the America, in the Asia, or throughout the different seas, we are going to need very much indeed of your professional expertise. I hope that the schools that you have in Sri Lanka multiply times 10, because no one is really doing that, so it's a huge competitive advantage. Thank you very much in the free time. Bye.